Welcome viewers, welcome you all from Veg Recipes Blogspot. Today I am going to show you how to make or prepare buttermilk kurambu or more kurambu. Please watch, enjoy. Ingredients for more kurambu or buttermilk kurambu: fennel seed 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, garlic cloves around 7 numbers, small pieces of coconut, 2 green chilli and small piece of ginger, tur dal 1 tablespoon, raw rice 2 teaspoon, cumin seed 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, mustard 1 teaspoon, 2 pinch of asafoetida powder plus little curry leaves. We are going to use ash gourd in this more kurambu, buttermilk kurambu. Ash gourd is very good for health. It plays a very vital role in weight loss. 200 grams of ash gourd, 250 ml of curd diluted. It will be diluted more later. We have to add the turmeric powder with this one. Then we added salt to taste. So mix this one and keep aside. Curd mixed with turmeric powder and salt. See, everything is soaked in water for half an hour. Coconut, garlic cloves, ginger, green chilli, fennel seed, raw rice 2 teaspoon, fennel cumin seed 1 teaspoon, tur dal 2 teaspoon. It's soaked in water for half an hour. We're going to off cook the ash gourd. We already added little salt to this one. You have to check the salt because you added already salt in buttermilk mixture. So you have to add as per that one. You add little salt to this ash gourd. Let it cook for some time. We are going to grind this soaked mixture. Ash gourd getting cooked. It should be half cooked actually. Cook the ash gourd fully, not half cooked. It should be full cooked in the water itself with salt, little salt. We're going to grind the soaked mixture as a coarse paste, little bit nice, not that much coarse. Actually it should be grinded to nice paste consistency, not coarse paste. As I told before, it should be nice paste consistency. We're going to add the grinded mixture to the curd mixture. If you as per the consistency, you can add more water also. It depends on the consistency required. It should be in this consistency. This as per the consistency required. See, it looks like a buttermilk now. Buttermilk kurambu, more kurambu, just for you. Please watch on. We're going to add little oil in the pan to fry mustard, asafoetida powder and curry leaves. Asafoetida powder and curry leaves. Going to pour the mixture to the pan. Ash gourd cooked nicely. We're going to add this one in the mixture, which is in the pan. It should be in medium flame always. Little sim. Don't heat more. It should not be go to the boiling point. Initial boiling point, we have to switch off this one flame. So before that we will add the ash god also. So we have to be careful. It should be in sim flame or medium flame. Nice more crumble, buttermilk crumble. We're going to add salt as per the taste. We added already salt. We are adding more salt. So it's required. We're going to add the ash god, cooked ash god to this mixture. Actually, ash god is good for more crumble. You cannot use all the vegetables in more crumble. You can use ash god, lady's finger, little fried. You can fry the lady's finger and you can add on. Then you can use vada also, masal vada. That is masal vada more crumble. This is ash god more crumble. We have to switch off the flame when it reaches the initial point of boiling. Still it's not reached the boiling point. We are waiting for the boiling point. Initial boiling point, we have to switch off the flame. Otherwise it will not be good. So we have to switch off the flame in initial boiling point itself. More crumble, buttermilk crumble. See, it should be switched off now. See, that's the initial boiling point. We switched off the flame already. Nice more crumble. Nice garlic and ginger smell is coming. It's very good for health. It can go with rice, idli, chapati, puri. It's good, but it's best with rice, along with any fry, potato fry or banana fry. Anything will do, but especially potato fry is good for this one. You'll go with plantain fry and yam fry. Actually these fries will do. More crumble with rice plus these fries which I told you now. We transferred that one to the bowl. More crumble, buttermilk crumble from Veg Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up. Subscribe my channel to get all my videos. Thanks for watching.